Good day, sir. I am GL Errol C. Cajes from G2F-1 and I'm here to discuss about the topic stability diagrams, trim tables, and stress tables. First is stability diagrams. These help assess the ship's ability to return to an upright position after being held by wind, waves, or loading condition. Common stability diagram includes GZ curve or writing arm curve. Plots the writing arm against heel angles. Key features: angle of maximum GZ, range of stability, or angle where GC becomes zero. Area under the curve or indicates energy required to capsize, used to assess initial and overall stability. Next is key-in curves or cross curves of stability. Show writing levers at different angles of the heel for various displacements, used to calculate GC when combined with KG or vertical center of gravity. Help create the GZ curve. Next is stability booklet or software. Contains pre-calculated GC curves for different loading conditions, often integrated into shipboard loading computers. Next is trim tables and diagrams, used to assess and control the trim difference between forward and aft drafts of the vessel. First, trim curves or trim diagrams show the effect of moving weights like ballast or cargo fore or aft. Allow calculation of change in trim per unit weight and final drafts forward and aft. Important of propeller immersion maneuverability and fuel efficiency. Next is trim and stability book. Tables with calculated trims for different loading or displacement conditions. Allows quick reference when adjusting ballast or loading cargo. And last is stress tables and diagrams. These are crucial for structural integrity, especially in large ships like tankers and bulk carriers. First is shear force and bending moment diagrams. Show the distribution of shear force and bending moments along the ship's length, based on current loading conditions. Prevent structural failures due to overloading. Next is stress tables and software, often part of loading computer system. Show allowable versus actual bending moments or shear force. Next is hull girder stress monitoring. Some ships have real-time monitoring system that provides live data on stresses. And for summary, GZ curve purpose: assess writing ability and overall stability. Used for angle of lull, GM, safe loading. Next is key-in curve purpose: build GC curves for various displacement. Used for pre-calculation of stability. Next is trim tables. Purpose: predict draft and trim changes due to loading. Used for ballasting and cargo planning. Next is stress diagrams. Purpose: show fall stresses under load. Used for prevent structural overloading. Next is loading computer. Purpose: real-time calculation and simulation. Used for integrated stability and stress. And that's all, sir. Thank you.